You guys know what time it is. It is Google Pixel 8 time. So Google have sent over the brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro, and it's already been a year since we looked at the 7 Pro. I kind of can't believe that. So goodbye 7 Pro. Love this phone though. I'm very excited to move on to the 8 Pro because it looks like Google are really focusing on their software side of things this year. It's gonna be some cool stuff that we can test out. Let's get into it. All right, so let's slide this off. Also, wait, let's just appreciate this box art. How nice is that? All right, we've got some goodies in here. First things first, a card. Hi Liessshy, say hello to your new Pixel, Google Pixel 8 Pro, the best of Google, even more pro. We love hearing your technical expertise, and as you are a Pixel expert, you'll be able to show how Pixel with Google AI helps you do more throughout your day. We can't wait to see what you think. Hashtag Team Pixel. Oh, thank you so much, guys. So the last few years, I've actually been receiving the charcoal colored phones, which is not a bad thing, but I was really hoping that Google would change it up, and they have given me the bay color, which is the blue, with the matching case. Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited to open this. So we have a 128 gigabyte model of the Pixel 8 Pro, and we have the official bay colored Google 8 Pro case, Google Pixel 8 Pro case. There's some more goodies in here. Thank you for being one of the first. We love it when our products are chosen by people who are excited and passionate about new technology. So we've included a limited edition Pixel pouch and a collectible. Our very own 25th anniversary pin to style your new pouch as our way of saying welcome to Team Pixel. We hope you create incredible memories with your new Pixel phone. This is cute. Oh, I just realized what it was. We have Google's Dino, the dinosaur thing that they have in a pin. Look at that. How adorable. Okay, but like they also said a pouch. So, oh my goodness, we have a little bag. I wonder if the phone will fit in there. Let's just use the 7 Pro because I haven't opened the 8 Pro yet. Oh, a little phone pouch. That is so cool. I'm going to be rocking this next week at South by Southwest Sydney with my Pixel 8 Pro in there. So if you see me and you want to check it out, come say hello. This is so cute. Oh, wow. But you're not here to look at merchandise, right? You're here to look at the brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro. So let's open this up because I'm so keen to see the blue. All right, here we go. Oh my God. I did not, what? I didn't expect it to be that color. All the marketing that I've seen has been like really, really blue, and I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but this is actually stunning. We have a matte back, and the blue is a little bit lighter than what you see in the ads, and that feels so good. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's definitely different from the glass back that they've had on the previous model, which I wasn't a fan of because it was so slippery. This feels amazing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, that new display without the curved edges actually looks so premium. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of curved screens. So, or on phones anyway. This actually feels so much better than the 7 Pro. But as usual, in the box, you just get your data cable, your charging cable, USB-C to C, and your little C to A dongle, just in case you want to do some data transfers, and a little booklet. However, let's get into this case. Ooh, I like how that feels. They've gone back to the inside having that fluffy material, which is much safer on the phone, doesn't scratch the phone. Oh, I like it a lot. So I'm going to leave some specs on the screen in regards to the 8 Pro, but this phone can reach a new peak brightness of 2400 nits, which is absolutely bonkers. No more curved edges, the screen is very beautiful. And as usual, we have the 1 to 120 Hz smooth display. So I'm very excited to see how this phone is going to look when I'm gaming or when I'm doing my day-to-day activities on this beautiful panel. We're looking at the Google Tensor G3 chip with 12 gigabytes of RAM. I do have the 128 gigabyte storage model. And depending on your usage, as usual, you should get an all-day battery life with the potential to push it out to 72 hours, which I don't think anyone can do that because this phone, you're gonna be using it for lots of productivity if you buy one. One of the big things is that this has 7 years of support with its operating system, security, and features. That's huge. So if you do invest in the Google Pixel 8 series, you've got something that should hopefully last you a while. If you're not like me and tend to keep your phone for a few years, that is a really good point and something that would satisfy a lot of buyers because you've invested your money pretty well in a phone. Like I usually do with my Pixel videos, we're going to be checking out the camera. However, I do think we will do a day in the life video with this phone. So if you do want to see that, drop a comment down below because I think maybe we will do it. A couple of features I'm really excited to check out is the audio magic eraser, which AI is crazy, right? The fact that it can reduce noises in the background or potentially remove something from a piece of audio that you've created, that's huge if it works well. So we'll check that out. And I'm also excited to check out Best Take. What that is if you take a bunch of photos of, say, a group of people and not everyone is smiling or looking at the camera properly, because you've taken a batch of images, Google's AI can actually allow you to pick the best face for everyone in that photo so you can all be smiling and looking at the camera. That is pretty amazing. Google AI has done it again, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with my Google Pixel 8 Pro videos. Super excited to get onto this phone, so I'll catch you next time. Thank you, Google.